welcome back to my channel. I am Shruti and for today's video I'll be sharing some products that I got from Nykaa, and it's been a long time I haven't done anything makeup haul related, so I ordered a couple of stuff from Nykaa and I'll be sharing it with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the first product that I got is a skincare product. सो मेरा टोनर ख़त्म होने वाला था, सो आई डिसाइडेड हर बार तो मैं प्लम का यूज़ करती हूँ, इस बार आई डिसाइडेड व्हाई नॉट टू स्विच माय ब्रांड. सो आई गॉट दिस काया का टोनर. दिस इज़ डेली पोर मिनिमाइजिंग टोनर and I must say it's a very good product. I'll make sure that I link every product that I mentioned in the description box below in case you want to buy any of them, then go ahead. So this toner shown tremendous effect in just a week, guys. Trust me, it's a magical product and it closes all the pores. As you can see, my my face looks very mattified. It's all because of this toner. I have been using this twice a day, एक बार सुबह and एक बार सोने से पहले. So I love this product, how it turned out to be. Give it a try. So the next product is a face wash, which is by again Mamaearth charcoal face wash. So I wanted to try out the charcoal range since a very long time. I have tried the Upton range, so I decided why not to switch it to charcoal this time. And honestly guys, I just love this product. I love the way how it cleansed my face out, and it's just a very good product, and I am a huge fan of Mamaearth already. So it's again cruelty free and paraben and sulfate free, so I would highly recommend it to you guys. You can try any of the range that you like, Upton range, cocoa range or charcoal range, any of them that you personally like, but I would highly recommend it to you guys. So the next product is again the charcoal range ka product, which is the C3 face mask. Honestly guys, I love this product and I'll just show you. मैं 2 बार यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ उसे. I love this product यार, मतलब बहुत अच्छा फेस मास्क है. एंड आई पर्सनली फील कि अब मुझे शीट मास्क यूज़ करना बंद कर देना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट इज़ गुड फॉर एनवायरनमेंट. So I'll be keeping this in my mind, and I'll be switching all my products to face mask. So I would highly recommend this to you guys as well. Give it a try if you haven't already. Next product that I got is a makeup palette, eyeshadow palette. So I wanted to get a good eyeshadow warm neutral palette for my eyes, and I got this one, and this is, believe me, it's a magical product. I would highly recommend you guys. मैंने मृदुल शर्मा का वीडियो देखा था, उन्होंने ये वीडियो रेकमेंड करी थी, एंड थैंक्स टू हर it's just amazing and it's just magical product. All the shades are really well pigmented, and I'll just swatch it for you guys. Just a second. So this is what the palette looks like. All the shades look really beautiful. So the first shade is Everyday, which is this one. This is what it looks like. The second shade is Vitamin C. Look at this. Then the next shade is Brownies, which is this one, and Running Late, Sweet and Sour, Chocolate Orange, Mulled Wine, 21. This is one of my favorite shades. Infinity, Cheesecake again. This is a very good shade that I personally like. So Cheesecake. Then this is a glitter shade again, Romance, Last Sun. This is a very neutral shade which is called Cookie Dough. And where should I swatch it? This is a shade called Enchanted. This is a green called Aurora. This is again a glittery shade which is called Dreams. This is a darker shade called Lakes. And this is a black shade called Reputation. So this is what the shades look like. Just look at them. They all look really amazing. Yeah, if you are looking for a neutral eyeshadow palette, I would highly recommend this palette. This is just amazing. So the next product is a highlighter palette which is by LA Colors, and I just love all the shades, and I found it very budget friendly because it retails for something around 500 to 600, and it has a variety of colors. I mean, you know, if you will go for a highlighter, it's not very reasonable, so I would highly recommend this. And this is a multi-purpose product. You can also use it as a, you know, blush, and I'll just show you. Just see, I love this product. Yeah, it gives that instant, you know, shine. So I'll swatch it for you guys again. So this is what the white shade looks like. This is what the neutral shade looks like. This is what the matte and brown shade looks like. This is what the pink shade looks like. This is again light pink, and this is the golden one. Just look at those colors. Look at them. I hope the camera is able to focus them. All of them are just beautiful, and just look at my blush. So I love this product, how it turned out to be, and I would highly recommend to those people, and it's a big thumbs up from my side. So I again got a highlighter because I was not sure, you know, whether it is a blush or a highlighter. वैसे तो it was a, you know, multi-purpose product, but I wanted to try the Maybelline Chrome Face Studio का metallic highlighter since a long time. It is a amazing product, you guys. I mean, it's highly recommended. Just one stroke of this just makes you look so glowy that, you know, you don't have to do something else for your face. You can just, I'll show you guys by putting it on my inner corner. It highly makes a difference, man. Give it a try if you haven't already. I would highly recommend this product by Maybelline. This is one of the best products that I have tried from Maybelline brand, and I would highly recommend this to you guys. So yeah. So the next product I got from Maybelline is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light. I wanted to try a loose powder since a long time. I have always been a compact wala child, and I love the compact, the usage of compact and all these things. I'd never tried a loose powder, so I would highly recommend this product. I mean, it mattifies your skin really well, and if you wanna try baking, so it's a very good product, and it makes just, you know, you'll see a change after putting this product on, you guys. So I would highly recommend this product. So the next product is again a metallic eyeshadow or metallic liner, which is by Swiss Beauty. So I wanted to try a silver eyeliner, and I personally am a huge fan of, you know, smoky eyes, glittery eyes. So I want to buy a glitter wala thing, so I buy this, and I'm really happy with this. So this is what the product looks like. I love this product, and I love the way how it turned out to be. Personally, I haven't yet used it on my eyes. I'll soon recreate or create a makeup look by using this product on my IGTV, so stay tuned. And if you are not following me on Instagram, then go ahead. So the next palette that I got is from Nykaa. Let me show you. So this is called the Conceal and Correct palette by Nykaa. I wanted to try contouring, and I wanted to go into higher shades of concealer. So I invested in this, and I personally liked this product very much. I would love to try the color collectors wala this range in future as well. So I'll definitely teach you guys how to contour really soon. If you want to see a makeup tutorial, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would be really happy to make it for you guys. And yeah, I would highly recommend this palette. Do you want me to swatch this as well? I'll just swatch it for you guys. Yeah, so this is the first shade, this is the second shade, this is the third shade, this is the fourth shade, this is the brown wala shade, and this is again a chocolatey kind of color. So this is what the concealers look like. I love the way how it turned out to be. The current makeup that I'm wearing, it's all also because of this palette. Yeah, I did contouring, and I contoured and concealed my face using this product. So I would highly recommend you guys to give it a try. And it's a multi-purpose palette. Again, you don't have to switch into a different concealer, because concealer बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है. जैसे मेरा भी LA Pro Girl वाला concealer काफ़ी जल्दी ख़त्म हो गया, but LA Girl वाला भी बहुत अच्छा है. I would highly recommend you guys to give it a try if you haven't. And this one is also great product, so give it a try. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you really liked it. If you did, then make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to share my video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, comment in the comment section below, follow me on my Instagram, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, love, mwah. Stay safe, stay hydrated.